Hello students, this is Deepayan. So how you are spending the lockdown time? All of we are stuck at home, spending lot of boring time. So what you are doing actually? I guess watching movies, web series, playing some indoor games, computer games, right? But for all of you, we have planned a program that is learn from home. We are already promoting this thing in the social media, LinkedIn, Facebook. If you follow our page, then you will get all the notifications. So that program is basically conducted for the students. That is a totally online learning program. You can learn different technologies. You can choose the technology what you want to learn. You can choose from the program, and end of this program you will get certificates, and you will get the doubt clearing sessions. Personality development is also there, but the most effective topic involved in this online session, that is the internship program. Among all the successful students, we will choose our perfect interns. Okay, and they will get the chance to work in our client projects, and they will get the certificates, stipends, and lot more. So what are you are waiting for? I guess you should register now. So register now. You will get the registration link in our Facebook page, fb.com/Sikharthy Infotech. Register now, join the session, and I'm pretty sure that you will enjoy those sessions. So stay safe, stay healthy, fight against corona, and keep learning. Bye.